To my surprise.
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Who the hell was it?
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos. Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Do you guys hear that frickin' iPod Nano shit? It's like blaring in my frickin' ear.
Wait, you skipped to the wild first, I think, right?
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Yeah. Let me log out of vent and then log back in, cause some fucking iPod Nano shit keeps blaring in my ear. It's pissing me off.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, buddy. Okay. What the fuck? Was that one of you guys?
What?
Dude, I swear to God, shit's like coming through my mic and stuff.
Not me, man.
What it is? 25 times. Fuck.
Yo, are you like a fucking crackhead? You're saying you're not a pothead, but I'm actually not believing you. Thanks, Bills.
Is everybody ready?
Word.
Yep.
Suck it up, QB, and be a man.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Everyone to the middle. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on, dudes. Come on, dids. Let's dead this.
Oh my God. I'm gonna fucking kill whoever that is.
Yo, what the fuck is that? Was that what he was talking about?
Who's Bowler?
I don't know, block that asshole.
Who?
Bowler. B-O-W-L-E-R.
Yo, A-bomb, A-bomb. On TV.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of shit! Well, fine, I'm gonna fucking live and kill you! Motherfucker!
Jesus, man.
Pick up these A-bombs, please, and get them down.
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Yeah, we're going down.
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos as part of our
Shut the fuck up, you fucking queer! Razor, can we use your vent?
Hey guys, I got an idea. Let's go play Gaia online and go fishing!
What the hell was that? Oh my god.
Ow.
Holy crap.
Bryce, mute him.
that.
Yeah, it's
Wow, you
him.
can't-
That
How's
was
he doing
bad.
that? You can't even.
That was
Yeah,
really
that-
bad.
That was
Weekend.
what's his name?
Wick ass.
Yeah,
was
we
Reawakened.
reckoned 14. Yeah, and
Yeah,
he has
that's
his
what I
key next to his
heard.
name.
Okay.
We need a vent admin to ban his IP.
I just mute him. I don't know.
Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Muting.
Long.
That's what I'm.
Jesus.
Thinking that maybe it was a free.
Alright. Everyone calm down.
No!
Okay.
I'm emotional.
So scary. Actually reminded me of that movie The Ring or something, you know?
I was totally thinking the same thing. Yeah, I'm waiting for the crazy bitch to fucking have, start coming out of my computer monitor or something.
Flame's doing it now.
Who is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
It's
Flame.
Flame. Baus Flame.
Yeah, I just muted
Do you have a
Flame.
server admin to check his IP?
It just said player no longer exists.
Oh my god.
It's Gruel now.
Okay, seriously, this is getting insane.
Nah, it's someone hacking or doing some bullshit.
Yeah, they're fucking with us.
There's a lot of ways to hack into accounts, so... Oh, Vapor even just told me someone's hacking accounts.
I just think it's weird that they're in the AFK channel and transmitting over our channel.
There's a lot of shit you can do in Vent. A lot of
Yeah.
stuff.
Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos. Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
I think I got a virus because it keeps telling me I keep getting free iPods. Uh-oh. No, I keep playing it. So congratulations, you
You
have a
have
free
been selected
iPod.
to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
You should claim it so we can...
What the fuck? I don't have my browser even open. What is this?
Oh.
Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
I don't need deathmatch. I'm kicking that person.